Bèo La bắt ba mặt nhặt mấy củ sen này, cái móc gì đó để làm souvenir này. What are you looking? Don't get to mặt ba ha. Okay. What is it? Well, you get a stick and you dig it out.
No, there's no stick.
Where, right here?
Yeah.
It's just nothing. Where is it? Oh, it's a stick. It's food. Cái ăn người ta vất đó bây la.
Okay. I think they found another one.
See, mấy chỗ này dirty nè, dirt nè. Oh, did the water come all the way up here?
Look.
That one? Here, give it to me. Give it to my palm.
Fine.
You want me to hold it for you? Oh, Bella dug up. You're a dinosaur digger. Bella, you're the dinosaur digger. But this is not dinosaur, it's only seashell.
Yep, but it is very pretty.
Very pretty, huh? No, càng ngày lên thế này càng dơ Bella. Oh, God, they feel good. I'm gonna. Hey, let's walk without the sandals. Bella, walk without the sandal. Bella, bạn nói nghe không walk without sandals. Feel very good because the sand here is warmer. So the sand here is without sandals, very warm. The wet sand down there is very cold. Okay.
Dad.
Here. Hey, this is not. Hey, Bella, this is just a nut shell. You crazy girl? You pick up a nut shell? You give it to daddy? That's thức ăn của người ta vất đi vất đem đưa cho ba hả? Có thức ăn không Bella? Oh, there's what do you call it? The amusement park. Oh, chi nhiều quá ta. Đó là hải âu phi sứ này, hải âu phi sứ. Nhiều hải âu quá.
Dad, look. I found 3 shells.
3 shells? Wow.
I'm gonna keep these. This one and this one.
Why? Why you need to keep those?
Because, shells gonna make bracelets.
Bracelet?
Yeah.
Here, open this, zip up on the other side. And then put it in and zip it back up.
Whoa, how much?
Zip it back up. Because daddy gonna lose something in there.